Hi, this is Linda, and this is the second video in two parts. And this is showing the completion of the reorganization of my work area or studio area. It is located in my bedroom. Right down here is my tool bag for when I do demos, and under here is finished products for restocking. And I'm going to go in from right to left. Oh, see? Drapes. How about that? Over here is one of my tool caddies for things that I get to, but not often. Hole punches, all sorts of hammers, ring mandrels, things. But real easy. I just didn't want them on my desk because there's not enough room. And down here is a bucket full of things that are mandrels. If I need a special size, it's there. This is the trifold, what do you call it? Room divider kind of thingy screen that I got at World Market. I spoke about it last time. And it's disguising that white cabinet, that very harsh white cabinet back there. That is full of things I don't need to use all the time. Flex shaft, Dremels, dapping blocks, anvils, things like that. Vices. Then these are the new curtains that I just had installed. Thank you to Carl, our handyman. And here are the curtains. I got these from Amazon. I love my Amazon. And they are shears, but you can see they're if I can close enough, they're embroidered with vines and leaves. I really like them. Now the curtain rod, it's a double curtain rod. You can't see it, but there's another one under there. So if I want to put something else under there, I can. And then the desk, which I also is available on Amazon. This is reclaimed wood, and then they put some strange paint on it. I like it. And this part is steel. This is the top of this desk, which I really like. And you can see the reclaimed wood goes under here. And then I have a plastic mat for protecting it because I'll destroy it. This little Lazy Susan I got at Marshall's for like 10 bucks. It's great. These are just for the hand tools that I use most often. This tray I usually use for catching beads and pieces of wire so they don't go flying all over the place. That might change, but I don't know. And another tool caddy with the hammers I use most often. The mandrel that I use most often, this is a 1 1/4 in diameter. And then in here, are plastic bags. When I've completed a piece, it goes into a bag with a piece of anti-tarnish stuff. Also, the anti-tarnish pieces are from Amazon. Neat commission. No, this is not sponsored. This little shelving unit folds up. Last video I said I was going to get rid of it. I've decided to keep it. I will eventually paint it. Don't hold your breath. In here are pieces that haven't been finished. That's going to be a bracelet one day. And in here are what do you call them? You can't see them, but they're weaves that I've started for. They go in a specific size and use it often, the most frequent. This is my tumbler. This is liver sulfur, a gel for patining, and my sand block and my steel block for hammering. These small ones are full of crystals. Yes, I have a problem. These are empty. They'll probably leave more crystals. And then over here are the bookshelves that I've had forever, and there's two bookshelves, and they actually fold up, and they all of these three pieces, the two bookshelves and then the tall shelf, fold up, and they were part of my craft fair display when I did craft fairs, and I would actually take them and put them on top of a table to add height to my display. These are the new Harbor Freight's great. These are the new cases for separating and supply, keeping my inventory so I can actually see what I have. Before they were in plastic bags and then in other cases, and then I had to dig through them, and I'd end up ordering 2 and 3 times, and such a waste of money and frustrating. And there's just mannequins that I've had for a long time. Sometimes they were when I did craft fairs, and I just kept them. So all of these are full of things. There's still some labeling to happen. And then what you haven't seen is the carpet, the rug in the area. Just love that rug. Where did I get that? World Market? Yeah, World Market and Amazon. Love it. And this is the rest of the room, not that you care. That's a folding screen. When I was new to the business, I thought, oh, a folding screen would be great as a divider in my stall. Except this thing weighs a ton, so it became a headboard. And that mirror over there needed something above it. And so Marshall's again, another good place. I found that this white shelf. It's white and distressed, and I just hung that today. And then a couple of my dolls and a Mardi Gras mask. I don't call it Mardi Gras, but it's a cool mask, a gesture mask. It's up there. That was pure one. That was anyway. I thank you very, very much. There's my messy living room area. And so thank you, and don't forget to create and have a great day. Bye-bye.